Here's how to scrape the posts of Instagram without any coding knowledge. For this, we will use the Instagram scraper from nifty.codes. Just download it for your browser. Now go to the feed and press on the extension. Then press Extract Posts from Feed. As you can see, we extracted the post in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. And the more you scroll down, the more you will extract. Now, press Add to Export List. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-scroll for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press Stop. Now, to export this, press Export Data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as CSV. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted. You can also customize the data however you want. To do this, go back to the extension. Make sure this pop-up is open, then press on the extension again. Then press Customize Fields. In here, you can customize the data however you want. You can remove some data by unchecking. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. Now, once you're done, press Save. Then press Export. And there you go. Here's our new customized data.